Hello everybody, I am Dr. Vivek Vardhan Veerapaneni, consultant pulmonologist at Shwasa Hospital, Hyderabad. In this video, I will be talking about a disease called as COPD, that is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, also called as emphysema or chronic bronchitis, that usually affects our lungs. COPD is quite common, world over it is common. In India, it's even more, and the deaths because of COPD in India are second highest following heart disease. So it's a very big killer. COPD is also called as lung attack, where it affects your lungs and causes very, very dangerous symptoms and also premature deaths. COPD affects your airways as well as alveoli that are like a bunch of grapes, like in the tip of the airways. Airways look like this in your lungs. These airways become like these. These tubes become very narrow. And at the end of the tubes, you have a bunch of grapes-like things called as alveoli, which are usually filled with air. So these sacs will usually get depleted. They usually get disappeared, or the sacs get closed very easily. Even the air is not taken completely outside. So there is air trapping in COPD, or there is vanishing of these alveoli, and the tubes become blocked. So all this causes a lot of symptoms like breathlessness, cough, sputum, and tightness of chest, and they will not be able to perform most of the activities because it usually limits your activities, especially in the later stages. So COPD is caused by many different smokes, including smoking and industrial smokes, air pollution, and also biomass fuel smoke, like people who use this wood for cooking food. So all these smokes are very dangerous, and also sometimes industrial or factory smoke can also cause a lot of damage to your lungs, thereby causing COPD. So when a patient has COPD, he will have all these symptoms. With these symptoms, if you have these symptoms, or your friends or family members, if they have these symptoms, then definitely they'll have to consult a doctor. So COPD is usually seen in people more than 50 years of age. It is quite rare, less than 50 years. However, it can be seen in a deficiency called as alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. But most of the times you will see it in patients more than 50 years of age. Males and females both are affected by COPD because anybody can get exposed to smoke. And COPD as such will be disaster to the patient because it will not let the patient do his regular activities. There are stages in COPD depending on which there will be severity of the symptoms, and also the treatment depends on the stage of the COPD. So when you have these symptoms, you have to consult a doctor, or someone you know have these symptoms, tell them to consult a pulmonologist. They will give you a set of questionnaires where they'll ask you multiple set of questions, and also they will examine you and then write some tests which are linked to your lung power, like PFT or CT scan or chest X-ray, and sometimes through blood tests to check whether what is the type of COPD, what is the phenotype, and what is the severity of the disease. Depending on that, there is treatment. Again, when coming to treatment, there are different types of treatments. When you come to treatment, it is not just medicines. Medicines is part of treatment where you give inhalers. So treatment is by inhalers. These are the medicines that are used to treat COPD. Apart from this, there are also some tablets. So this is called as pharmacotherapy, where you use these medicines to treat it. The second one is pulmonary rehabilitation, where you teach some set of exercises to the patients. You teach him diaphragmatic breathing, you teach him pursed lip breathing, you teach him how to manage his exacerbation when he's in lung attack, how is he supposed to breathe. So this has to be taught. The third one is nutrition. Nutrition is very important because COPD, there is also loss of muscle. They become very lean, and their breathlessness worsens with this problem. So you need to tell them to take a high protein diet. And the fourth one is vaccination. You have to tell them to get vaccinated against and also COVID vaccine now, because it is also dangerous in these patients. So the final one is they suffer with something called as anxiety or depression, because they will not be able to do most of their activities. So you have to give them mental support. So all this together, along with good treatment, will give best results for COPD patients. So if you have, or if your people have this problem, consult a good pulmonologist. At Shwasa Hospital, we have been treating COPD patients since a very long time, and we make sure all the patients get the best output of the treatment, because we know how the severe disease is. To give an example, like on how the patient feels, how the patient with COPD feels, is like take a deep breath, hold it there, and now try to take a breath upon that, which you cannot. That is how they feel. They always feel like there is a full breath inside their lungs because there is air trapping, and that itself will cause a lot of dyspnea or breathing difficulty. So this is how the severity of the disease is. The lung attack is dangerous, so make sure you consult your doctor and get the treatment for that. Thank you.